everyone, welcome back to the vlog channel. So today is actually Sherry-Ann's birthday, so we're going to be going out to London for like a really fun day out, aren't we? I'm really excited. And by the way, why do you keep wearing that hat?
What's wrong with my hat?
we're indoors, like why are you wearing it?
Well, I just keep wearing it because when I'm editing, the sun comes right through the glass because the computer's right by the glass.
Right.
And this, as you can see, shields my eyes.
Very fashionable. So yeah, we've just been doing a little bit of work this morning before we head off to London, but actually I really need to like start getting ready because I haven't even done my makeup. So yeah, I definitely need to do that. But also before I head off and do my makeup, I quickly want to show you guys a little teeth whitening kit that actually I recently received from Hi Smile.
Oh, that's cool. How does that work then?
So basically inside it's really easy. You get like this LED light. It looks like this.
Okay. Yeah.
And then you get a little mouth tray that you're supposed to like attach to it like that.
Yeah.
I have actually used this before, but I ran out, so I'm really glad they sent me another one. And then inside you get 3 different like teeth whitening gels. So you basically like squirt it all over the mouth tray and then you put it in your mouth for like 10 minutes.
And how do you, it just whitens them just like that, that's it?
Well, yeah, you get like a little like, I don't know what this is called, like a shade guide.
Guide.
Yeah, and then you're meant to like, I think I'm a 4?
Yeah, I would say.
Am I a 4?
Hey, you drink a lot of Coke.
I drink a lot of Coke, so my teeth get stained all the time. So this is like perfect because you can literally just pop it in your mouth and like have it in whilst you're getting ready or doing work or whatever. So that's why I really like it.
Oh, well, you should try it out.
I'm gonna give it a go. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna squirt some of that teeth whitening gel on. So let's pop this in my mouth. Oh, so yeah, there's the button as well. Haha. Right, ready?
He got a little bit coming out.
Wait. Hang on. Okay.
There you go. Would this be a good time to like do some B-roll?
Okay, so I've just finished doing my makeup and I've taken out the teeth whitening tray. What do you think?
Oh, okay. I'm actually gonna have to get one of those then.
Yeah, I feel like it's whitening my teeth quite a bit. But they also sent me some toothpaste, which I haven't actually tried yet, but I'm excited. There's like a day and night toothpaste. One of them is like charcoal, so it's like black.
Really?
Yeah, and they're also vegan and cruelty-free, which is amazing.
That's
so I'm
good.
really excited to try them. But anyways, I feel like we should get going to London now.
We should go to London because we've got a lot on. We're going to a cafe owned by cats. We're going to a garden in the sky and there's some vegan food.
I'm so excited. Should we go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're here now, so yeah, just give us a call when you're here.
You're at the box park now?
Yeah, we're in like the upstairs bit.
Oh, okay. Alright, well we'll be
we're
there.
Just standing under some heat lamps drying off.
Okay. Alright, well we'll probably be there in like 5 minutes then.
Okay.
Alright, see you soon.
Bye.
See you later, bye.
Bye.
We made it. This is the tiniest little like building as well. Like look. That's it. Like that's the car park. How weird. And we literally, how are we gonna get down? That's what I want to know.
I don't. Well, you just drive in the lift.
Well, yeah, but like, look how tight
There's
it is.
buttons on the lift that you can press.
Yeah.
This is so
real
strange.
Weird. All right, let's go. We're gonna go to the box park now to get some food.
We're gonna get the vegan kebab again.
The vegan kebab. That
and
was
get Shez
so
and Luca
good.
to try it.
Yeah. Okay, so we have made it to the box park and we are joined by Sherry and Luca and Matt, and we are just eating some vegan food. So I ordered like this katsu curry, which is all vegan, has vegan chicken pieces inside, and it's so nice. And what did you get?
I got the kebab with chips.
Oh, that looks so good. Yay!
Your chicken's really good.
Yeah, this is really good.
If you put that chicken on the kebab as well,
yeah.
like a chicken and on a kebab, that'd be well.
Oh, that'd be nice. Yeah, this is really nice, but it's quite spicy, so yeah, and it's quite messy to eat as well. So we've just finished our food and we're now walking over to the cat cafe. I think it's called This Is a Coffee Shop in Shoreditch, so I'm really excited to pet some cats.
Do you know how many cats are in there? Is it just like filled with cats?
I don't know. I've never been to a cat cafe. This is our first time, isn't it? Oh, it's this way.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never been to a cat cafe, so I don't really know like anything about it. Oh, you stepped right in a puddle, didn't you?
Great.
Your shoe is soaked now. Okay, so this is it. It says the coffee shop with cats. Are they open?
No, at 4.
closed. Oh my god.
So 4 of you. Yeah, are you 4 together?
Yeah.
Great. Can you keep the door closed behind?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry.
And stay you 4 to take off your shoes first.
I'll just put my feet in puddles.
Oh no. You excited?
Yeah. You?
Yeah.
I think Shaz is the most excited.
Sharon, you're most excited, aren't you?
Look at him. Look at him.
Oh my god, there's so many of them.
Let me just run over the house quickly so I can invite you to your table.
Do you?
Oh, is it there?
Hello. Where do we sit? Where do I sit? Can you sit? Is that a seat?
I'll sit on the end there. Because my seat is occupied. This is the kind of country I want.
I've just got the menus for you.
This place is so cute. There's so many well, there's no over there,
I
but
think he's going to move for the whole hour we're here. Is it? He's planted there. Hey, if I were to build a cattery like this, would you be alright with it in the house?
I like this. Yeah, I actually would kind of like this, you know.
Because I've built a couple of catteries.
Yeah.
I could do it.
I think it would look really nice actually. It's quite big though. It takes up a lot of space.
I know wood like this is quite expensive
Yeah,
with the
true.
rubber, but
There's a little kitty up there, and he's got a little cat. So cute. He's a little buddy. So there's 2 little cats over there. There's one here and one here. Look at them over there. We can't actually stroke them unless they come up to us. But look. That was probably going to be sleeping there the whole time. Oh my god. He's just sat there. He's cute.
they must have to fit the
It's gone up there.
Yeah, that's chocolate. You don't like that, do you?
The keys were so cute, weren't they?
They were they were all so sleepy though.
Yeah, we didn't really get to stroke any because they just didn't really walk around, did they?
Yeah, I think they had a really hyper run around just before we got there probably.
Yeah, probably. But they were literally all out. So you can't actually when you go to a cat cafe, I didn't know this, but you can't actually stroke them unless the cats come to you. So
yeah, you can't go up to them.
Yeah.
Which is understandable.
Yeah, because you don't want to bother them and stuff because that's technically their home, isn't it? That's where they live.
So yeah, and now we're gonna go to the Sky Garden.
The Sky Garden, yeah.
Oh, let's go.
I'm excited. It's so rainy right now, but that's where we're going.
Where my tongue is out.
Right up there. You excited, Matt?
Yeah, it was good.
Look at you in your hood.
Oh, it's a bit wet and miserable, isn't it?
It's so raining right now. Not ideal. We have made it up to the Sky Gardens and this is the view of London. It looks so cool. So nice. And there's lots of greenery over there. This place is actually kind of huge. And also at the back there you can see a really nice view of the Shard. So I'll show you guys that in a minute. Look, the gherkin's just over there. This is such an amazing view. It's a little bit cloudy so you can't really see that much, but it still looks really, really cool.
It is cool.
I can't believe we've never actually been here. Isn't that
It's
really
free
weird?
as well.
Yeah, it's free. You have to book in advance to get in. But
We should have brought the long zoom lens.
I know. Damn it! We always forget all the good equipment. But see like the actual level.
It's a way better view from up here actually.
Yeah.
It's quite cool how it looks.
And you can see like the river and stuff. Okay, we got so drenched, but we are just now at the diner, which I'm very excited about. We're going to be trying, well, we're going to be getting Sherry and Luca to try the vegan cheesy chips, aren't we?
This is like our favourite place to eat at the minute, isn't it?
It is, yeah. It's so cool, and like I love the vibe. It just looks like a American diner of sorts. So we have actually just finished our food, and I forgot to like vlog it because I was so hungry, and I just literally I saw the food in front of me. Don't even think about like picking up the camera. But what did you guys think of the chips?
I thought the chips.
No, like this is rehearsed or anything. What did you think?
It's not been rehearsed. The chips are really, really good.
Yeah.
They were nice. They tasted like, well,
Fake
they were the best fake cheese available, but they still tasted like the worst
crappy
type of cheese you can get.
Like the ones you get in like, yeah, the plastic ones from like Tesco's where it's like really, really bad. But it still tastes like pretty real, so it's pretty good. Anyways, we're actually going to head off to the car park now because the car park closes at 7 and we parked our car like literally, so yeah, obviously you guys know from the vlog from earlier on that we had to get a lift up to the car park. Now, the car park's closed, so we have to pay like an extra fee of like £50 to get our car out, which is not ideal, is it? We have to run and get our car out.
Alright, we gotta get.
Oh, let's go. So we have made it to the car park. Literally just getting out right now. We're actually probably going to stop off at Westfields because we might be popping into the cinema to watch the Avengers movie again, even though we have already seen it, but Sherry and Luca haven't seen it, so we might as well pop over there. They do also have Tesla chargers there, so we might as well charge up the car a little bit before we go home.
How do I get in?
I don't know, so we've got to get back in the lift now. This is going to be tricky because this car is long and wide. I think you're going to have to like try and go in that space there,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah, go over here.
Can you imagine if this place was full?
God, no, you couldn't.
You guys
Well, you
picked
got
the
the camera.
worst car park.
We
I
didn't
can't
know
see
it was
the
like this. It would be a struggle. There's the lift.
Did you drive straight in when you got here?
No, we had to reverse in as well. This is a tight squeeze.
I love how it's giving you warnings on every corner.
No,
not
it's
happy
just
about
going
this
off and off
decision.
and off and off.
It's like a damn disco.
We're in!
That's what you said.
Okay, we're in. Now what? Do you have to press the thing or does it go down by itself?
Lift doors close automatically. Please clear the doors. I think you still have to press it there.
Oh.
G.
No, we didn't press it that last time.
Open your window, Roxy, and just push the close button on the on the door.
Oh,
where it's
he's
red.
There is no close button.
Yeah, the red one.
No, that opens
press
it.
ground. Press green.
I can't reach. Oh, my nails are long enough.
That was a really loud sound.
My nails helped me with that. I think you have to move back further. Oh, no, you're in enough, aren't you?
So this costs £88 to park for like 5 hours.
Oh my god. It's all
Oh,
your
thanks,
fault,
Roxy.
Sherry Ann. This is your birthday day out.
I think it's saying something.
So literally we just had to pull out because the lift said it was overloaded. There was like too many of us in the car, and obviously the car's already really heavy by itself, so
Yeah.
they had to get out and take the stairs, which is over there. But now the lift door has closed, so we don't really know what to do. Like,
We're still waiting to go down. This car is a lot heavier than normal cars because of the battery pack.
Oh my god, can you imagine if we got actually stuck up here now? I really hope that guy hasn't left.
No, he wouldn't have left.
No, okay. Okay, so we are now in the lift again, and literally our car, we found out that is actually too heavy for this lift.
This car's over 2 tons, and this lift takes a max of 2 tons, and our car's over 2 tons.
Oh my god, and plus us inside it, like, this
And we're like
could
just
break.
stuck in here at the minute. The door's not opening.
Yeah. What are we gonna do if this...
God. We've been in here a little while now. I can't tell if it's... I think it has moved, but...
I really don't know what's going on. I really don't want to get stuck in this lift.
Round
This is
4.
just... Okay, are we here? That didn't feel good. It literally just went
The
boom.
door's open, alright.
Okay. I really don't like it. Like, that is my biggest fear, getting stuck in a lift, honestly. So this was like a nightmare, but we're all good now. Okay, let's go. We're reunited. Hello.
I was calling customer services again.
Did you guys like going up and down the stairs?
No.
Because he spent ages actually in the lift that was
Yeah,
broken.
I know.
And I was like, fuck, he's gone, he's closed up.
Oh god.
So I was like, oh no, that's going to be another cool out challenge.
Can you imagine?
Bring them back.
Oh my god. Okay, so we are now back home. It's literally like 1 in the morning right now, or almost, and we actually forgot to vlog whilst we were at Westfields. We basically just went to like charge up the car, and then what did we do? What else did we do?
We got a massage from that
Oh
massage
yeah.
thing.
There was like a massage place, and I literally just got a massage. And
That was
then we
good.
just got a drink and that was it, and then we just went home, didn't we?
Yeah, pretty much.
By the way, we're like so cold right now, so we're both like wrapped in blankets.
Haven't got your heating on.
No, we haven't got heating on because it's like summer, so we don't really want to put heating on.
I'm not putting the heating on until December.
I know, but anyways, Matt's just been doing some editing. Well, he's actually been editing this vlog
I
a
feel
little
like
bit.
I'm always editing.
I know you are actually, aren't you? Every time I pick up the camera, you're always editing. But anyways, we're gonna finish the vlog here. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. We actually had a lot of fun, didn't we?
Yeah, the cats were cute.
Yeah, the cats were so cute. I literally just want to take all of them home. There was like 15 different cats and I'm like, so cute. Anyways, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys next time.